Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you a cool product that we picked up recently and tried, and we really liked it. It's called Green Gobbler, and it is an outdoor cleaner. It will clean your siding, your fences, your interlock, whatever, right? Anything outside, basically. And it worked exceptionally well for us. We cleaned the siding, or my wife cleaned some of the siding, and wow, what a difference. I was thinking that I was going to have to wash it by hand because that's what my neighbor does, and his siding is beautiful and ours looks like crap. So anyway, my wife bought this stuff and it worked exceptionally well. You hook it up to your hose, it's got a spray nozzle in the front, and then you can turn it on. You spray the product on, and then you can turn this to rinse, and then it will rinse it. So you spray it on, you let it sit for a little bit, and then you rinse it off, and it works exceptionally well. It's done, and I'll show you how good the stuff is, because I've got some dirty siding here on the back of my workshop. The prices. So this one, the small bottle, the 2-liter bottle, is $20, and the 4-liter refill bottle is also $20. So you buy the small bottle and buy some refills, save yourself some money, and yeah, that way it goes further. It only works for about 5 minutes or something. Like, you go through this stuff really quick, so you have to be kind of fast. And anyway, I'll show you. Okay, so here's the brand new door I put in, and the trim, and then this is the siding. You can see there's a lot of stuff on it, and it's even hard to scratch off, right? It does come off, but it's difficult. So you can also see how dirty the downspout is, okay? Right? And then over here, so right under the light by the chimney, there's quite a bit of stuff here. That's quite dirty. Okay. So I put the hose on. I turn this to clean. I turn the hose on. Alright, so I'm just going to do this one section to show you, and it feels like I've used about a third of the bottle already, but it goes pretty quickly. So I'm going to let that sit for a minute, and I turn this to rinse. Spray it again. Alright, so up close here, you can see it's not 100% perfect. Like, this could use a scrub brush to get the rest of it off, and it would work. It's not perfect, but it is much cleaner. Like, the downspout is much cleaner. The siding is much cleaner. Look at how much brighter it is. And then you can see where I sprayed versus where I didn't spray. Now I rinsed part of this off as well. But look at this. Look how nice and clean that is. I go right across over here. Look how dirty that is. So it's not perfect, but what a huge difference. Like down here, it did a really nice job. So yeah, so it's the Green Gobbler. It's really easy to use. It does a great job. This was extremely dirty. The rest of our house wasn't as bad as this, so it came out really clean. I was really happy with it. So I'm going to go over this again, and I think if I clean all my siding this year and clean it all next year. It's going to look amazing. So yeah, what a great product. It saves me a ton of work. I can't imagine having to climb up on a ladder and try to clean all that off. Like, it looks so much better. Anyway, thanks for watching.